Alright, my friends, so this is the BC Racing DS series. This is not the BR. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's definitely a bigger step up. I'm gonna basically want to turn my car into a drift and drag. So got all this I'm gonna put on, excluding the bench and the kids stare for their playground and my blankets. So basically this is going to be going on. I'm going to be opening this up. So I read the difference between the DS and the BR. And these have definitely come back with more positive feedback, especially for track and street. So that they last longer, they're more responsive. You're going to feel it better. And I don't know about you guys, but I love feeling like every curve, every bump, every pebble. Like I just, that's one of the things I've loved about the G35 Skyline 350 GT, whatever you want to call it. We all know it's a Nissan Skyline 350 GT. Just in America we call it an Infiniti G35. So this is going to go on, replacing what I got on there. So I just put on the Z1 tone camber on the rear. And, like, I should have put this on the same day because I didn't pay attention to when I took the bucket suspension off. So when I dropped it, now, if you want to see slammed, I'll show you my car out there. It's literally, like, sitting, like, right above the rims. So definitely don't like being slammed. Like for me, I always like an inch or two above it, but I might even go a little lower this time, just because I might have to. Because once took those bucket springs off, like the car just dropped like I want to say it dropped like 4 or 5 inches. And like the tire, like before it was like 1 inch to 2 inches above the tire, and now it's like you can't see the top of the tire. So I'm gonna open this up. Sorry that it's just me recording. It goes so much faster and smoother. The camera, man. Ooh, I like this. Box in a box. So these, if you're wondering, was $13.80, and I wound up getting these. I wound up buying Street something for my car, but when I opened it and realized, like, hey, I took the buckets out for the Z1. I needed the buckets for the coilovers that I bought. I'll show you those in a bit, but okay, so we got some books and definitely got some stickers put on the car, so we'll check those out later. So far I'm liking the packaging. Oh wow, look at this. Now that is definitely take care. Look at that, that is just gorgeous. Look at that packaging. Rear. Okay, you can see, like, I'm gonna set the so I don't know if they say front or rear on them. That might be just it right there. Right, let's take that out. And here's the tools for loosening and tightening so that you can brace or shorten it. Oh my god, this thing is... I like it. The feel of it is just... like when you feel the steel, that feels really good. And looks definitely... Fair Lady 350Z. Performance shocks. Gas pedal do not open. Do not heat. Okay, there's your pillow top adjusters. So we will put this. So this is gonna go on the front right here, I could tell, because it's got these. And this will be your hard. That's a lot of clicks. And then soft. I'm just basically putting it back to where it was. Just let's push on those. Yeah, there's like no movement, and that's supposed to be soft. Okay, I'm gonna pause this real quick and grab the other ones. Okay, so they all got the pillow top on the top of them. These are some of the stickers. It's my son in the background. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Do not over tighten shock nuts. That's actually how you'll know right there which ones are the front and which ones are the rear. The front will have the 3, the rear will have the 2, I believe. I'm pretty sure because I know I changed my shocks before, so let's see. Yeah, see, this one's got the bigger one. There's 3. This one will be the front, and then, yep, here, this one's got 2. So that's how you tell the difference between front and rear. So, the 2 in the middle are the front, and the 2 on the sides are the rear. Perfect. So now it's just going to be figuring out the ride height. So, guys watching, like I said, I want this for drift and drag more than show. But I still want it to look nice. So I'm thinking like fenders will come right on top of the wheels, like the tire, like maybe like half an inch. You know, I don't want them like where I don't want it slammed. You know, that's all I could say. I want more performance than anything. All right, so that's the DS unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back, and then I will go ahead and put the next video on putting them on. Just wanted to say I am so damn excited, man. Oh my god. You have no idea. I've had my car since like 2013, 2014, and like you see all this, it's like it's all suspension, subframe, braces, grills, like H-frame. I mean, there's just so much I've saved up and just put together piece by piece. Get my parts from Z1. I've checked Amazon. I've checked out like SPC. I've checked out Megan, and I like Z1. You know, I compared Z1's the subframe braces to the Ultra Racing, and it's just so much thicker. If I could show you. Like the Ultra Racing, I think this is my Ultra Racing one right here. Ugh. Just trust me. Like the Z1, it's lighter and thicker. I just feel like it's a better metal. Now that's my old exhaust. Took half of it off. This was the resonated Y pipe. I think I'm gonna stick with the Z1. Like this one is Spec D, the resonated Y pipe. True dual exhaust, like the M spec from Z1, which is right there as the cat is gagging up a hairball, which is this, and then I got two more boxes. It's going to be a Y pipe to a single pipe to another Y pipe to the dual exhaust. So I'm going to compare the two and see which one I like better, but from the videos I've seen of the M spec, it sounds pretty nice, and I like the dyno results. I was thinking of the Touring, but when you compare the sound of the M spec versus their Touring, I just like the M spec so much better. And then yeah, then there's my wraps. I got to put all that on. I got so much stuff that I got to do, but hope you're here to watch the build, because we are going to definitely build it. It's going to be for drift and drag. Like I said, this is me collecting parts over the past since 2013, and I've definitely taken my time to piece it together. I have got everything except the JWT twin turbo setup, as well as the Brian Crowley internals, and I'll be getting those from Z1 as well. The only thing that I didn't get from Z1 is this GK Tech, I think it's the SC2. This is going to be the front suspension. Is going to take care of the control arm and like two pieces basically. And this is going to, so that the wheels can turn a lot farther. I'll do a video on that too. And that's pretty much it for right now. So going to be getting into this build tomorrow, and these are going to be the first things to go on so I can get my car off the rims. And then from there I'll be changing the hub assemblies, the axles, the diff. I got a diff cover. I'm getting the gear ratio, the 390 or the 4.09. What else? Got the steel brake lights. Got the big brake kits, Z1 right here. Got their street big brake. I thought about the Akebono, but I better keep it Z1, because like everything else is going to be Z1 on the car. And like I said, except for the GK Tech on the front. But the front upper control arms are going to be Z1. So basically the whole suspension is Z1 except the GK Tech. And so is the exhaust, plenum spacer. I got kinetics, injectors, fuel pump. I got a new fuel assembly too. And like, I'm going all out, guys. So hope you're going to enjoy the build.